Hello everybody. Now I am going to tell you how can my website help you learn Selenium. In my website I have covered all the topics which one should study in Selenium. Okay. We start with the Java, right? It is a 40 minutes introduction session for Java, and we have got first 7 modules on Java language. Selenium can be used in many languages, and it is the famous one is the Java one, because Java is platform independent. Till the 7th module I am covering Java. This is the very basic and the very backbone of Selenium. If you know Java, if you concentrate on these modules, you will be able to pick up the later modules very easily. Okay. Then we start with the JUnit and the TestNg framework, which are actually important for developing your Selenium scripts. Okay, and after that we move over to Selenium IDE, which is another important component of Selenium. Out here we discuss each and every aspect of IDE. Some people think that IDE is just about running your scripts through record and run. No, it is not like that. You can parameterize your data. You can do n number of things with the help of IDE. It is just not about record and run. You can use regular expressions and all. You can use user extensions.js. There's a lot of stuff which you can do with IDE. Okay. After studying IDE, we will study the latest version, that is the Webdriver. We will also study the older version RC over here, which is on the topmost tab. Okay. In the Webdriver, we will study all the aspects of the Webdriver till the module 17. Right. After module 17, we concentrate on the data-driven and the hybrid frameworks. I have explained everything, that how to use JUnit and build a data-driven framework, and how to use TestNg and build how to use JUnit and build a hybrid framework, which is a mixture of keyword-driven and data-driven. I have also taken up the topic of TestNg, that how to use TestNg and build data-driven as well as your hybrid framework. Now once you are done with this, okay, you can also study Selenium RC, which is the older version. Many systems are still working with the new development is going on in Webdriver. Right. Out here I have just kept it very simple. It's around 10 hours of training and it's distributed in 3 modules. I have taken the framework in the last module. Right. After that, I have covered the flash testing. Flash testing is a kind of white box testing in Selenium. Okay, you need to know the Flex code in order to do the flash testing, right? And it's divided into 2 parts. That is how to do flash testing with RC, which is the older version of Selenium, and how to do flash testing with Webdriver, which is the new version of Selenium, right? Then we look at SVN and Maven. SVN is something like a version controlling tool. It is like CVS, right? It's a repository, and Maven is again a version controlling tool for the jar files basically. Okay, so we have everything aligned in the project, and in the end we'll also look at the database testing, JDBC and all everything. So basically I have covered a lot of topics over here which are used in the industry. Okay, which on these topics certainly you will get an interview question. Whenever you go for an interview, there are 80% or 70% of the questions will be from here, that I can guarantee, right? So you need to study everything in depth, serially, and on the weekends we keep the doubt clearing sessions where those who have bought the videos can join those sessions. They can ask their doubts and all everything. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.